Good morning. Welcome to NQ pre-market prep on 11/14. This is FuturestraderElite. We're going to go over some NQ things this morning. Probably won't spend a lot of time on this morning. I think I'm not even going to trade today. After the downfall that we've been seeing, this bleeding off like this, and it being Friday, I just don't even know if it's going to be worth it. But we'll go over some quick things. You can see that we're missing the trend line. I took it off earlier once it broke. Trend line was up here in this area, around that 920-ish area. And that was somewhere right in this area. But I took it off already. You know, this ain't really looking real good as far as the structure goes, because we've put in another lower low with this downturn, took out that major time frame trend line. So it might be, if you're going to trade, it might be one of them things where you think about shorting the pops. Just got to be careful with it. But you know, say we got this down move and say we get some 100-point bounces, or 80, you need to start looking at key levels to go short at, which will be, if it was me, I'd be looking mainly at all my main structure breaks coming down on this. This is on the 1 hour, but this green line up here around 932, I would most definitely be looking into that area. These yellow lines, 886, this S1 pivot, if it retests that, I'd be thinking, well, probably going to have to go short there. Unless they open the market and this bounces really hard and there's a lot of momentum, ATR is high, would have to, if the market opened right now, for me to even think about getting bullish on this, I would probably play some structure breaks to the upside, but we need to get up here and break out through all this right here. All these wicks, there was a whole lot of struggle going on here. You got to think, this is a 1 hour chart, and it really did some consolidation here and wicks on them 1 hour candles. So, if we got up here and broke up past all this, if it was the wick, you'd have to be looking at 170, which is a long ways away, especially for a Friday after a bleed off like this. Who knows what they're going to try to do. We got this imbalance zone right here that still needs to be filled from a while back, almost a month ago, I believe. And then, of course, we got the S2 pivot down here around 552, 551. I don't know, guys. This is just, it don't look real good. And it being Friday, they may not try to fix this or hold it today. They may not try to hold the line. But I mean, everything across the board is down pretty good. I mean, gold dropped about 100 points, I think. Bitcoin is way down. So, I mean, the whole market's shifting right now. The one thing we got to ask ourselves is this what we got to look forward to running out through the end of this year? Or are they going to try to take it to the upside still? It's a wait and see game. If it gets choppy, the ATR is high, I would suggest maybe sitting out if you could today. I really think I might try to sit out, which I got some other things I'm supposed to do anyway, but that's all I'm going to have for this morning. Trade smart, be safe, have a game plan. If you are going to push that button, make sure you got a plan. Trade your plan. Don't go off the plan. And I will see everybody on Monday. And everybody have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on the next one.